Hey guys, it's Tristen from Manitoba Marketing here. Just making this super quick video for a couple tips and tricks on what I think you guys can do just to increase your online presence, increase the calls you're getting from Google and potential clients that you might be missing out on. So this video is going to be purely educational. So if you feel like going out and doing all this kind of stuff on your own, then by all means, you go giver. But if you feel like I have something to offer at the end of the video, then please reach back out to me and we can maybe work something out. So I'm going to go over three things in the video. First is going to be content, and then I'm going to look into backlinks and then citations. So first with content. Now, you guys don't have a website for me to pull up and look at, but Google likes websites to have around 1,500 to 2,000 words on their homepage. And that is just because of relevance. Google sends bots to scan over your website, look it over, looking for keywords to make you guys relevant. So, for example, I just searched up Brandon Chiropractor here real quick. And the more keywords you have, the more relevant keywords you have, the more likely you're going to be to show up on this first page here. And all that's going to do is get people clicking on your website, get people looking into your business, and get them phoning you guys. And with more content on your website, the more likely it is for you guys to be able to get all those keywords that you need in there for Google to look over and make you guys relevant. So the second thing I'm going to look at is backlinks. Now, again, you don't have a website for me to go over, but I've got Victoria Chiropractic's website pulled up on here. This is a tool called Ahrefs. I pay for it monthly, but there are plenty of free backlink search tools on Google that are completely free. But this, I pay for it monthly just because it gives me everything I need in one uh, program, and it's just super helpful. Anyways, we can see here, so a backlink is any link that links back to your website. Pretty self-explanatory there, I know. But as we can see, they've got 12 referring domains that give them 51 backlinks. So there's 12 other sites on the web that are linking back to them in 51 different ways. Those numbers are not very hard to beat at all. 12 referring domains. All you have to do is go and find 12 domains for you guys to put your website on and get a link linking back to your website. And when I say that you would only get 12, that would just be to compete with them. If you want to absolutely destroy them, you can go for 30, 50, 100. It doesn't matter. But keep in mind, not all backlinks are made equal. And that is just because of relevance. Google will only make backlinks strong for your website if they are relevant to your business. So you can't have backlinks that are from hardware stores and restaurants or any of that kind of stuff. Just because Google will just see that as a spammy link and they won't make it work for you. So you have to have links that are relevant to your business and to your guys' website. Next is citations. This is another tool I use. It's called Whitespark. It's just a citation finder. Again, lots of citation finders on Google that you can look for. Citations are just your business name, address, and phone number in any directory on Google, like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, anything like that. And not all this stuff is 100% accurate all the time, but it's showing that you guys have 21 citations, while Victoria Chiropractic Center has 31. So citations, what they help to do is to rank you on this Google Map Pack. Now, I've been doing a lot of research in this area. So my search results might be skewed a little bit, but you guys are on the first page here of this Google Map Pack. So that's really awesome. That's gonna increase the amount of clicks that you guys get and the amount of phone calls you guys get, because your phone number is right there, your address is right there, super easy to find you. Um, but the more citations you have, the higher you're going to be ranking on this. And as we can see here, this is an ad, so they're paying to be at the top spot. Meanwhile, you guys are third, and that's just natural. Um, so the more citations you have, the better on that part. Uh, and those are the few things that I have for you. Super easy to do, and you might not see results necessarily within a day or two. It might take up to a month, but trust me, those higher rankings on Google are getting more business just because people are seeing them and recognizing them. So if you guys think that I have anything to offer, please reach out to me. If you have any questions, please give me a call or an email, and I will be happy to help you. But that's all I have for you today. So thank you.